Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and PC so transfers actually happen. Install OEM or Google USB drivers on Windows. This ensures the PC recognizes Android correctly. Use a known good data cable and plug into a direct USB port to avoid power-only connections. On the phone, enable developer options and choose USB mode. File transfer, MTP. Doing these steps first prevents detection errors and gives you a reliable connection to move files immediately. Once connected, diagnose the PC side. Open Device Manager and find unknown devices or any Android entries. A yellow icon means driver mismatch. Right-click and choose Update Driver, then browse and install the correct OEM or Google MTP driver so Windows assigns the MTP interface. If you use a DB, restart its server with a dbkill server, then a dbstart server to clear stale sessions. These steps repair recognition issues, so File Explorer can list your phone store. To finish, make sure the phone displays the file transfer notification and you tap to allow computer access. This explicit permission is required. Open Windows Explorer to browse internal storage, or use a trusted MTP client if Explorer struggles. If transfers still fail, reboot both the phone and PC, try another cable or port, and recheck drivers. Reboots clear lingering locks and a new cable rules out hardware faults. This last troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.